In this video tutorial, we'll cover the basics of setting up your video camera. The 9 subtopics covered are basic camera setup, formatting your memory card, recording video, recording audio with the on-camera mic, recording audio with a hand mic, recording audio with a lavalier mic, checking the audio levels, attaching the Frizzy light, and the tripod setup. Section 1. Basic camera setup. Remove the camera from the bag. Remove the battery from the side pocket of the bag. On the bottom of the battery there are 4 small slits. Place those into the back of the camera facing down. They connect with the 4 thin wires in the bottom of the battery slot. The battery is securely placed when it clicks. Gently wiggle the battery to ensure it is secure. Turn the camera on by rotating the circular dial to the red camera icon. The dial is located near the hand strap. Section 2. Formatting your memory card. You must format the memory card before every filming session. Occasionally, video will not record properly when recording over existing data. Open the memory card door slider. It's located on the viewfinder side of the camera. Make sure your memory card data locking slider is set to unlock. Insert your memory card and close the sliding door. Press the menu button near the SD card door. Navigate to the Setup option by pressing the down arrow. Select by pressing the circular button in the center. Choose Format Card. Then select Yes. When asked, all data will be deleted, format the card now, select Yes. Part 3. To begin recording video. Switch the focus slider to auto. It is located to the right of the SD card sliding door. Mount the camera on your shoulder with your right hand in the strap. Adjust your viewfinder to a comfortable viewing position. You can rotate the eyepiece up and down by turning it. You can also move it towards the camera and outwards. To do so, loosen the tightening wheel located near the handle. Press the recording button. It's the red circular button where your thumb will land if it is inside the handle strap. You can also use the red button on top of the handle. You will then see a small red dot on the top center left of the viewfinder. To pause, just press the recording button again. You should see 2 green lines inside the viewfinder where the red recording dot used to be. Part 4. To record audio with the on-camera mic. The mic is located at the front top of the camera above the lens. Open the viewing screen window. Underneath is a panel of switches and knobs. Make sure the Audio In Channel 1 switch is set to front. Front means the on-camera mic located on top of the camera, and rear means the XLR inputs at the rear of the camera. If you are using an external mic, have one channel reserved for the on-camera mic and the other channel reserved for the external mic. When using an external mic, have the opposite channel set to front. This is to record background sound with the on-camera mic. Section 5. To record audio with a hand mic. Remove the XLR cables from the bag. It has 3/4 inch round metal ends. One side has 3 prongs and the other side has 3 holes. Plug the end with the 3 prongs into the back of the camera. Use the slot on the right labeled CH1. Make sure the mic attach slider is set to on and the audio in slider is set to mic. Open the viewing screen window, and underneath is a panel of switches and knobs. Make sure the Audio In Channel 1 switch is set to front. Make sure the Audio In Channel 2 switch is set to rear. Front means the on-camera mic located at the top of the camera. Rear means the XLR inputs at the rear of the camera. Section 6. To record audio using the lavalier mic. Unpack the lav mic from its case. Squeeze the round ring and place the small round mic head inside the ring. Run the wire underneath your subject or interviewee's shirt so it's hidden from the camera. Allow them to do this themselves. Clip the mic head onto the top of their shirt with the alligator clip. Ensure the mic head is aiming towards their mouth and approximately 6 inches away. If the mic is not facing the source of the sound, it would become muffled and suffer in quality. To plug in, follow the same steps as the hand mic. Section 7. Checking the audio levels. There are 2 audio level meters on the bottom of the viewing screen. The level on the left is channel 1, and the level on the right is channel 2. Your audio should be peaking at 3 dots from the right of the meter. If it reaches the red dots, which are second from the right, you risk having distorted audio. To adjust your audio input levels either up or down, you can use the audio level wheels located where the viewing screen folds into. Turn them up and down until your audio reaches its desired level. Section 8. Attaching the Frezzi light. Unpack the contents in the Frezzi light case. You should have a lamp, diffusion cover, battery bag, and the battery. Slide the square part of the lamp bracket onto the top of the camera. The connection clip is near the front above the mic. Tighten the lamp in place by turning the wheel on the bracket. Plug the battery into the battery adapter connected on the lamp cord. Place the battery in the bag with the adapter going in first and setting it at the bottom of the bag. If the adapter is at the top, it may come loose during shooting. To turn it on, just flick the switch. Section 9. Setting up and using your tripod. Unpack the tripod from its case. There are 2 ring clips on the legs of the tripod. Unclip them and expand the legs outward. To make the legs longer, flick open the clasps at the end of the leg. Extend the legs to your desired height. Next, loosen the handle clamp. Pull out the handle and adjust it to your desired position. Level off the head of the tripod. First, loosen the rubber handle at the end of the pole that points towards the floor. Move the tripod head until the air bubble in the level gauge is at the center of the circle. Retighten the rubber handle. Remove the shoe on the tripod head by loosening the knob on the right. Press the red button on the left and slide the shoe backwards. Screw the shoe into the bottom of the camera. Ensure the arrow on the underside of the shoe is pointing in the same direction as the lens. Slide the camera with the shoe attached to the bottom back onto the camera stand.